pagiku cerahku, matahari bersinar, ku gendong tas merahku di pundak. Selamat pagi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to my class for English lesson. This is our second meeting at the same topic. Always with me, Mrs. Eka Sayuti Puspitasari. Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Hey mom.
Hey, Mom.
Hey mom. Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
And you?
Okay. Very well. Hello everyone.
Yeah, okay.
I hope you are always healthy and always be happy in learning English because English is fun, okay?
Yes mom.
Okay, before we go on the meeting, let's start our meeting by praying together. And I want one of you to lead your friend to pray. Please, Eka Anjarwati, because you are the first comer, because you are the first, please lead your friend to pray. Dipimpin.
Okay friends, let's pray together. Pray begin. Okay, finish.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
Mbak Eka. Have you fulfilled the attendance form in LMS?
Not yet.
Okay, thank you for you who have filled the attendance, and for students who haven't fulfilled the attendance form, please don't forget to fulfill before midnight. It's just some students who attend this meeting, so please tell your friend who didn't follow this meeting to see the bahan ajar and LKPD from LMS, from CML, yes. I can understand because maybe they don't have internet quota to follow this meeting, but I really appreciate of you. Thank you very much for joining today's class. Thanks for being diligent and so disciplined. I'm proud of you. Thank you very much. And get ready for the class. Are you ready? Yes.
Yes,
yes.
ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Before,
I'm ready.
very good. And let's check the English. Say it loudly. Loudly, happily, and fastly. Okay.
I love English.
Very good. Okay. Today's meeting is similar with the last meeting. It is about recount text, especially about personal recount. And let's get some review about recount text. I will give you 2 questions.
Yes mom.
The first question is, how will you know if a text is recount text?
Read the key mom.
Okay. So, what is the key? Hello?
It tells about experiment.
Okay, it tells about past experience. Very good. Next.
It is simple past mom.
It use simple past. Okay, next. Is kaya?
It about past express mom.
Experience. It tells about past experience. Okay, next.
It uses verb to mom.
It use verb to. That's right. And the second question is, what are some example of recount text in?
Diary entries mom.
Oke, pada saat mengisi diary. Next. Next.
Recounting school trip mom.
Recounting school trip. Very good. Next.
Vacation mom.
Next. Is there the
What about a letter?
What about the letter? What kind of letter?
About a letter postcard about retailing our holiday mom.
Oh, A letter or a postcard about retelling your holiday. Yes, that's right. It is about recount text. Very good, Eka. Next, is there any other?
How about when we are curhat with mom?
Okay, very good. When you are curhat or telling your feeling to your friend, it is you are curhat with your friend. You use verb to, I mean. Okay, very good students, so clever. So today we are still going to discuss about understanding recount text. I hope you have understood well so that we can go through today's activity better and easier. It's because tujuan pembelajaran kita still similar with the previous meeting about find out, and then use the simple past, and then the last one is to compose a recount text, especially personal recount text. In this second meeting of our recount text, it's your turn to discuss in group, and after that present your group discussion result in this forum. Okay, after this, I will play a video entitled Holiday in My Grandpa's House. You should observe the video, watch and listen carefully. Okay, let's watch and listen. Now please read the first sentence.
Holiday, I went to Surabaya visiting my grandmother and grandfather.
Very good, Mbak Isna.
Didn't have any ticket for either train and plane, so that I went to Surabaya by bus.
By bus, Mbak Amanda, not by bus.
By bus, yeah.
After this, please go to the LMS, and after 15 minutes, we will meet again in this forum. And for each group, please present your group discussion result to your friend. Okay, thank you very much for joining. And after your 15 minutes discussion, and this is your turn to present your discussion result for group 1.
Talk about the writer experience in her last holiday at her grandparents' house in Surabaya. The topic and the character is the writer as the main character, and the other character is grandma, grandpa, and the writer's parents.
We are group 3 went to present a group discussion about action parts.
Yes.
From the action text video, we have action in the video space on. It usually adds by add for regular verb, and it has its own from for irregular verb. Action parts of the action text video. When pergi dan memiliki
We are group 4 will deliver our discussion result of the video. We will talk about the adverb of time and place of the context in the video.
Okay.
Yeah. For adverb of time, last holiday, at holiday time, when and after.
Okay.
For adverb of place, Surabaya and Jakarta.
Okay, very good.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. everyone. I am from
Morning.
Group 5. Will deliver our discussion lesson from the recontext video, especially about passive voice. After we watch and listen and also observe the video, we did passive voice sentence from the video. So we will try to review of the generic structure of the recontext.
You students, all of you have presented your group discussion result, and now I want one of you to draw the conclusion of our meeting today. Please, who want to be a volunteer?
Okay, friend. I will give the conclusion of our discussion on the video entitled Holiday in My Grandpa Home. The video that we have watched and listened is to include the recontext, because in the video it tells about the author's experience and the author's feeling. From the video earlier, we asked audience feel what we author feels and feel as if we are there.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mas. I will provide a reinforcement regarding the recontext. It is absolutely right that it is used to tell past events, past experience, and it is used past simple past tense or verb to for irregular verb, and for regular verb you can add ed at the end of the word, and there are 3 items of generic structure. The first is orientation, the second is event, and the first is reorientation. Thank you very much. And after this meeting is about activity time. Your activity in LM is to compose a new recontext based on your own experience. And thank you very much for joining this meeting on time and for your activities. Don't forget, there must be a lot of new understanding that you have gained about recontext. And before we end our meeting, I want you to give a reflection of this meeting. Please, from Mbak Nazla, what do you feel for this meeting today? Mbak Nazla?
Yeah, it is very interesting, Mom.
Okay.
I understand about the material.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Mbak Nazla. Okay.
This meeting is so fun.
Hi.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Thanks. And before we end our meeting, let's end by praying. Please, because of you are the most active student, please, Mbak Nazla, to lead your friend to pray.
Okay, friends, to end our today, let's pray together. Finished.
Thank you very much, Mbak Nazla, and all of you. Thank you very much. You are make me proud, so proud, because you are being disciplined, being diligent, and being active in this meeting today. And thank you very much. See you next week. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you later.
Salam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.